So now we're gonna sync it. All we have to do is just press this button, then our sync is back here. Just hold on to it. And then this light should be blinking like so. Now on your Xbox, you're gonna see this light, and here you're gonna see this button. Just press that one. It's gonna blink like so. So both of them should be blinking at the same time until they kind of like sync up. You're gonna see the lights changing a little bit until it's just a steady light. If your battery's not 100% charged, that's okay. Just turn it back on and you should be okay. But as long as you got that light, that steady light, that means it's all good. So right now with my Xbox, I can just control everything. So I can go into my settings and accessories, for example, and check out a little bit more stuff so I can customize this. But as of now, you're all synced up. It works just fine. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.